Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
Grandmother was sitting on a chair in the yard. She was eating guava. Grandfather and grandson came. A goat was eating grapes near the gate. Happy time together. Dear and sweet kids, let's meet with a new alphabet G, and its sound is G. G, G, gate. G, G, grapes. G, G, goat. G, G, garlic. G, G, glass. G, G, guava. Dear kids, do you know what do goats like to eat? Where do goats live? How many legs does a goat have? See you in the next lesson.